Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Irma Indutasari and NIM A3212342. This is now I will discuss about the title reading to be the role of academic reading in emergence, academic and professional student identities. To fulfill in final exam segment academic reading final project. Okay, now I will discuss about introduction, background of the article. Okay, the importance of academic literacy and its impact on academic success is widely recognized, although academic writing is often the focus of research. The role of academic reading is relatively less explored in the literature. This article aims to explore the role of reading in the formation of an emerging academic identity in undergraduate students. Okay, the continue introduction problem statement. Research tends to focus on academic writing, whereas the role of academic reading in identity development is less visible. Academic reading is often conceptualized as a generic skill rather than a disciplinary discourse practice. So, further exploration of how academic reading affects student identities and their participation in scholarly conversation is needed. Introduction, research question or purpose. There are three. Number one, what is the role of academic reading in the development of an emerging academic identity in undergraduate student? Number two, how does academic reading contribute to the development of student writing capital? And the last, what are the implications of this finding for academic reading, curriculum, and so forth? Okay, the continue literature review. The academic literacy model, Leah and Sweet, highlight reading and writing as social practice that reside in disciplinary institutions and learners' lives. So, the model acknowledges epistemological issue and social process, including power relation and social identities. So, the main focus of the model is practice rather than text. Academic reading is different from everyday reading. It is focused, complex, and then challenging and less discipline specific. It is integral to academic development and correlates strongly and with undergraduate student success. Academic reading is often perceived as work done to meet external demands rather than internal needs. Many students find academic reading challenging and underestimate its importance There is an assumption that students are prepared for academic reading, but this is not always true. A reason for lack of engagement include uh, unpreparedness, lack of motivation, time constraints, and uh, underestimating the importance of reading. Okay, the private nature of reading contributes to its relatively low visibility. Unlike academic writing, which is public and contributes to evaluation, reading doesn't not. Uh, this leads to reading often being viewed as a cognitive activity rather than a social process. Reading and writing influence identity in an intertwined way. Academic reading plays an important role in the formation of disciplinary and professional identity. So, these studies show that students who are early in their studies emphasize reading, while those who are more advanced focus on writing. Okay, so now discuss about methodology from title reading to be the role of academic reading uh, in emerging academic and professional student identities. This research is a reanalyzing of qualitative data from a previous study on the development of student writers' identities. A thematic analysis approach always used in accordance with Brown and Clark's six-step framework. uh, this reanalysis focuses on the contribution of reading to the development of writing models. Okay, data came from semi-structured interviews with 30 undergraduate students from years 1 to 4 of nursing, midwifery, and health science programs. Okay, the interviews explore student perception of themselves as writers and their views on academic writing. So, students were asked to reflect retrospectively on their academic writing experience. A total of 30 undergraduate students for nursing, midwifery, and health science programs participate in the initial interview for this reanalysis. Seek transcript were selection based on the rightness of reading related data, mainly from 3 and 4-year nursing and midwifery students. The focus was on how academic reading contributes to the development of writing capital. Okay, so now discuss about finding. Academic reading is essential to the writing process. Students recognize that reading is the foundation of writing. Without reading, they would not have much to say. Progress in writing is linked to the development of reading and critical thinking skill. So, students move from passively reading actively interacting with the text. They learn to analyzing the structure of the text and connects ideas. Increase confidence allows them to identify different arguments and positions in the literature. Student writers' identity is closely linked with critical reading. They make deliberate choice in their reading and how it is portrayed in their writing. Reading and writing both play a role in building professional identity. Student professional identity is based on their internalization of what it means to be a practicing nurse or midwife. The concept of evidence-based practice has been firmly embedded in student belief system. Continuous reading is a fundamental part of evidence-based practice. Recommendations or suggestion. Academic reading is often understatement as a skill, not a literacy practice. Is it important to make reading more visible and implemented in the curriculum? Engage students in dialogue about literacy practice and expectation of faculty and disciplines. Dialogue about academic reading should start early and continue throughout study. Academic reading is a complex practice that is constantly evolving, not a skill acquired and at the beginning. As students about their perception and experience related to academic reading. Consider reading communal reading with ways to expose the hidden nature of reading, develop and integrate academic literacy, reading and writing. Pedagogy expand the focus to explicitly consider academic reading in a step professional development. Now the conclusion. Academic reading plays a central role in the development of voice and identity in writing. Students turn to active and critical engagement with disciplinary text. Student writing and professional identities are closely linked with critical reading, but is it important to make professionally invisible aspect of academic reading explicit for students? Is it necessary to open up conversation about making speech of reading in the curriculum.